Welcome everyone to our third AMA today. And again, Claudia is joining us and tells us a little bit about the NFT scene. And everyone who did not see our further AMAs, I guess it's helpful that we do a little introduction round again. A hint, we are recording. You can see our AMAs on our YouTube channel afterwards. Okay, just a short introduction. Claudia, can you tell us a little bit about Be Together?
Yes, I can. I mean, most of you probably know us. We are a big international artist community. We create NFTs and we sell them and we split the profit from the revenue. And we contribute to charity, to nonprofit organizations. So we try to have a social impact or an environmental impact with the selling of our NFTs. That's what we are basically doing.
Perfect. Thank you, Claudia. Here you see many of these cool stories from Claudia on their projects. And what about us, Gorilla Shops? We are a company located in Germany, and we aim to deliver our blockchain toolchain that helps you get started with NFTs pretty easily. We are close to providing our first suite that has everything for you. In the further AMAs, you could see Unicat for creating collections. And in the last AMA, we showed you how you can mint your NFTs with Automate pretty quickly. And this time we will show you how Bazaar, our mightiest instrument, can help you to present your NFTs to the masses. Let's take a look at our roadmap for today. First, we will talk a little bit about Make Me Famous, bring my NFT shop to the next level. And after that, you will finally meet Bazaar, our mightiest tool for presenting your NFTs. Claudia, I saw last week you had a pretty successful collection. Can you tell us a little bit about how that worked out for you with this collection?
It was a beautiful experience. We have one artist from the Philippines. He created an NFT collection, not through your tool. He does it on his own, like on his own computer. He doesn't use, obviously he uses a specific tool, but it's not an NFT collection creator tool. And he dedicated every single NFT to a specific charity organization. And we launched it in Paris on Friday, and it was actually sold out within like 1 or 2 hours. And it was very successful. But here I can make the connection to what we actually want to talk about, because he did not only a good job in the NFT collection itself, he actually promoted himself a lot on social media. He spread the word about the collection. We did from Be Together as well. And here is also the connection to Gorilla Shops or to Unicat and the Bazaar, the tools that Jakob already mentioned. Communities, Gorilla Shops, and Be Together to promote yourself in many different ways. Be Together is mostly on the side of social media, but on the Gorilla Shop side, you can actually use their tools to create your own website in a very simple and easy way. That means you don't need to have skills in actually developing or programming a website. You can do it in a very user-friendly way. And I'm not a programmer either. And I can tell you from my personal experience that it is possible to use the tool as a beginner. And I think this is the important thing, because not all of us, but a lot of us are beginners in that crypto space. And we learn day by day, and we learn every day different tools. We hear from different communities what good apps or sites or tools are existing. And I think we can only try different tools and see how it works. And Gorilla Shop with its website tool and Gorilla Shop with its NFT collection creating tool is a very good package that you can use to actually start promoting yourself. And then Be Together comes into play, whereas we show you or help you how to promote yourself on social media or in communities on Discord or on Telegram. So I think that is the reason why in the end, Ruben, he is Ruben Smart. He is the creator of the NFT collection that was sold out. And he has super good skills in promoting himself. He was very active on social media. He doesn't have a website yet, as far as I know. I hope I'm not saying something wrong now. But he did a very good job, and he put a lot of effort in promoting himself. And we together joined with, teamed up with him, and we did the same. And I think the whole package made it happen, or led to that result or that success that we sold out in a short time.
Yeah,
because all the involved parties actually did their share of work.
Yeah, perfect. But I also saw it on Twitter, and it was pretty amazing how he promoted himself, but his art as well. I get this is also an important message. You need to sell art, not just some. You are an artist, and your art is important. But you have to promote yourself, because if nobody see what you're doing, you cannot be successful.
It has to be authentic. It has to be authentic what you're actually producing, and the message needs to come across that you are actually feeling what you are creating.
Exactly.
And he read into the charities. He read into what the charity is actually doing, and created an NFT specifically designed for each charity. So I think that's why he was actually able in the end to promote himself in that very good way, because he knew a lot about what he was actually doing, not only on the creative and the tool side, but also on the charity side. And his background is also marketing and communication, so he had a plus or an advantage in that area. But that is the success of Put Together last week.
But really, really amazing that this was such a success. I personally have also a most loved artist out there on Mintbase. I don't know if you know Sleepless Monk visuals. He's doing this 3D art, or I guess it's with AI or something like that. But pretty cool stuff. And who knows? But I like this art collected one, perhaps in the future. But as well, people, for example, it's totally clear that this is art, right? Every picture I see from him on Twitter, I think, oh my God, yes, this is definitely art. And he is famous not just because he was one of the first. He is famous because he is doing great art and he's promoting himself.
And could he do also like this collection on your tool then? So how easy is it to? Because what we learned in the previous AMAs, like we have this different, not how do you call that? Not the features. Sorry, I forgot the word in English. Like if you have a person, then you have the head and the mouth and the eyes and every single.
Beeple is doing different stuff. Really just Unicad or really not collections. And I guess Sleepless Monk visuals also not. But there are amazing collections out there as well. I see it for not on Mintbase, I guess. Robots, small robots. I will share it in a tweet or something like this, because it's also an amazing collection. There is pretty cool stuff out there. But I guess important is also that you have your place to present yourself, not just on the marketplace, because in my opinion, you are as unique as your art, and perhaps you want to present yourself in the same way. We had this a little bit this funny sentence: you don't want to be a drop in the open sea. or in the ocean. You are unique, and so you need to present yourself in a unique way. And this is what we are doing with Bazaar, or at least we try to help you with that. Yeah, and I guess I show you how this looks like and how this works. What you can do with Bazaar is you present and trade your NFT collection. Pretty easy. You can customize the fonts and the colors and upload a logo, header, and you have a complete easy peasy content management system behind everything. So you can rearrange the blocks on your pages. You have basically unlimited layouts, and you can add, because of this, unlimited custom pages or blog posts. Yeah, and what we have also is token gated pages. So you can easily restrict the access to some of your pages with the NFT. And what I will show you today as well, that's the little secret, also with membership tokens that are new in our suite. Yeah, but yeah, let's take a look how this looks like. Yeah, this is our web page where you find all our tools, Unicad, Automat from the last AMA, and Bazaar. And if you click on Bazaar, you can just try it on testnet. I have to share the correct. Yes, I'm right. Yeah, just click on the link, try Bazaar on testnet, and then you can start. What is necessary for using Bazaar is you need to have one of these cool guys that are always, this is our collection, the Banana Thread Club. And every banana thread, or every mass, how we call them, is the ticket to building your shop. So if you have this, one of the mass in your wallet, you can easily build the shop. Just buy it and then go to try Bazaar, and you will access this page. If you do not have this, here's the steps before: are connecting your wallet and buying the mass token. Then it's pretty easy. Just paste your email address, select your Mintbase store. We are building on top of Mintbase. So if you want to have your own web shop, you need to have a Mintbase store. We, for example, have the Banana Thread Club on Mintbase. So I choose the one, click on next, accept everything, and start building the shop. In the background now, we make everything for you ready. This takes around 5 minutes. I guess you don't want to wait and this time, so I prepared exactly this shop for you. Yeah, what you get an email with 2 links, one to your content management system and one to your shop page. And yeah, this is the content management system that is behind everything. It's powered by Sanity, a world-class content management system. Yeah, what you have here, you see here the link to your shop page, but let's take a look at the content management system first. Yeah, you see you have here 6 different sections. The first one is for configuring your web page. You can add the logo, change the size of the logo, add a fav icon. This is a small little picture that is in your tab. All right. If you look right now on your tab, you see there are mostly these little pictures, and this is a fav icon. You can decide if you want to have your 3XR teaser that is your gateway to a 3D gallery of your NFTs. You can set the company name and make some adjustments. This is an important option. If you add this or activate this, always if you enter your content management system, all new minted NFTs are showing up on your web page. Yeah. If you want to make your changes occur on your web page, just click publish and everything will adjust it. Yeah, this is a part to change your appearance. Right now, I have chosen the dark mode or the dark theme, but you can have a light theme as well. I personally like the dark theme a little bit more. You can adjust the colors. And if you adjust the colors, we generate the color palette for you that ensures that everything is looks good, right? We have, I would say, pretty much experience to make this that the colors are adjusted in the right way. So this is as a way to go to change the color. You can choose out of 8 different fonts right now, and you can change, for example, the border radius of the cards of your NFTs. Perhaps we should take a look how the site is looking right now. I see the page that is behind everything. This is now the build page with our mass and yeah, all the pages here. And I changed, for example, the border radius here. Let's go back to see what is all possible, because we have pretty much for you. Yeah, the navigation is, yeah, it's normal. You need some sort of menus on the top and on the bottom, the footer menu and the header menu. And if you want to add a link, it's pretty easy. Just add one of the pages you have created. For example, the terms of service pages. It's not usual in the header, but why not? Directly you see the changes on your web page. If you reload the page, you can add as many pages as you want. Just click on this button and create a new page. But don't forget to link them in your navigation section. Yeah, what is pretty amazing, in my opinion, is that we have token access. So if you want to have a token gated page, you can easily select one of your NFTs, Privilege Perry, for example, publish it, and then only the person that has a Privilege Perry NFT in his wallet can access this page. Yeah, let's take a look how it looks like. I hope I have the right. Here, for example, this is now a token gated page, and if I click on it, you see, or you can see, is that you don't see anything because I'm not logged in. I can no one can access this page. I'm now logged in, but I do not have Privilege Perry in my wallet, so it's forbidden. Yeah, but if you buy it, you can see it. Yeah, this is a token gated access. I will show you soon our addition to that. Yeah, this is a product section. For every NFT, you can change the title and the description. Perhaps you did something wrong with the description and you want to add, or do you want to add something? Then just change it and click on publish, and the description is changed. What is also cool is that you can decide what NFTs are shown on your web page and what are not. Perhaps you want to promote one of your NFTs, and then it's perhaps the time to that point in time to publish the NFT first and not before. And this is the section for writing a blog. Oh, I see I'm on the wrong page. Sorry. Yeah, this is a page for the blogs. Here you can add unlimited blog posts in the same manner you did it before with the pages. Here, I guess you did not saw this. These are the product pages. Okay. Now is the time to share a little secret, our new additions to our bazaar that will be deployed in the coming weeks. Yeah, we changed some things. Yeah, this is a new version, and you see you have now collectibles and memberships as well. Also, you can follow your purchases that are made via your shop. Okay, what is the difference now between collectibles and memberships? Collectibles are the normal NFTs, so art or something like this. Memberships are NFTs that are first soul-bound, so they are tied to one wallet, and they are valid just for a certain time. Let's take a look at one of the memberships, for example. This one, for example, is just valid for 3 months. And this membership token can give you access to some content. So you can make basically a paywall with that. Yeah, for example. But that's not all. What we have also built is a very important component, in my opinion. Let's take a look at the imprint page. There I have the minting block. This is a block that you can add to your web page, where you can add all information about an NFT that shall be minted from a user. You can add the title and the description, how many NFTs can be minted, the price of that, main image, tags, the forever media, the split revenue, start date, end date, a location, everything what you want. Every option that Mintbase offers for you. And if you take a look at the web page, this looks like this one. It's not completely ready, but this will shows pretty good how this can look like. For example, you want to use this from minting a membership, and yeah, if you click on mint NFT, then in the background the NFT is minted. Before that, we will add a payment solution for that. On the one hand, NEAR, on the other hand, a fiat payment solution. Yeah, and if you mint that, you can just take the Mintbase store and check the activity of the store. This is the store and the activity. And you can see that just now I minted this membership. Yeah, this membership will then be transferred to your wallet automatically. And then you have a perfect way to add unlimited possibilities to your web shop as well. Yeah, okay. So basically, this is how our tool works. I guess this is just a glimpse into it. I invite you to test it on the testnet and play around with it and figure a way out for you how this works for you, right? You have to experiment with it. I guess there are many possible ways for you as an artist, for example. Yeah, possible. Yeah, but yeah, don't forget to write questions if you have any. Yeah, let's go back to the presentation, because this is basically everything, but I guess not it not it's many, it's much. Yeah, but let's go back to the presentation. So what is on the roadmap for Bazaar? You will be able to mint memberships, tickets, coupons. You will have the minting component. You will be able to mint batches or collections from within the content management system. We will integrate fiat payments, a billing service. You as an artist want perhaps give your customer a receipt, for example, as a PDF, and we will integrate this, and we will examine KYC for your customer, because in the I guess in around a year or something like this, this will be needed by the regulators. So we have to integrate this. Yeah. This is basically Bazaar. I want to remember you again that we have a competition running. You have 1 week left. So if you want to try out Unicat, you can win a Mintbase store, and we will help you to mint and list your NFT collection. You get your very own Bazaar that you saw before, and we will support you with 10 retweets if you are one of the best collections out there. Yeah. So I guess we are at the end. So question and answer time. Toby, are there any questions out there?
Not yet, Jacob.
Okay, I heard this before. Yeah, but also if you take a look at the video and you have questions after looking the video, just don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are happy to help you with minting, with making your collection, with how to make your NFTs a success. Go to the Be Together Discord, for example, ask us on Twitter, take a look at our Discord, and yeah, ask whatever you want. We are happy for you to help. Yeah. Do you have some questions, Claudia?
No, not a question, but I'm happy to reach out again to our community. That it is a great opportunity to learn something new and to use a tool to learn creating in a different way, but also to learn presenting yourself in a different way. And as Jakob said, like reach out, like if something was overwhelming or not understandable or just confusing, reach out. And I know it's not always easy to understand when you sit in a webinar and people just talk. Because everyone is in a different situation. So let us know, and we can go deeper. We can go more into details in a smaller session. So just reach out, and yeah, everyone is welcome. We are all at the start, and let's do it together.
Perfect.
That's my
Thank
two
you very
cents.
much. Yeah, and
Thank
really,
you guys.
just don't
Again for
hesitate.
being
We
here.
are here to help you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Claudia. Again.
Have a good evening.
You too. Perhaps the perfect.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Then have a good day. Bye.